Good morning. My name is Elineide Santos. I am a master student at IWSSIP, and I'm going to the work entitled A Skin Lesion Semi-Supervised Segmentation Method. The authors are Elineide Santos, Rodrigo, Veras, Helano, Miguel, Kelson, Maila, Lima, and Geraldo, Braz Jr. My presentation follows order: introduction, objective, related work, proposed method, result, discussion, conclusion. Among the various systems of the human body, the integumentary system, or the human skin, is responsible for exchanging substance with the environment. However, these changes can cause lesion. Skin cancer lesions are classified benign or malignant lesion. In Figure 1, we have skin lesion image examples. And malignant lesion B differs benign lesion because it has irregular borders, irregular color in the lesion. There are darker and malignant areas. Malignant lesions can lead to skin cancer, denominated melanoma. Melanoma proliferate in the various tissues of the human body. The identification of skin cancer occurs through image analysis by specialists. Current CAD systems used in image analysis, they combine artificial intelligence and digital image process to perform functions such as monitor benign lesion. In Figure 2, we have a general flowchart of the CAD system. We will highlight segmentation step. CAD is crucial step because the characteristics that allow classifying lesion in benign or malignant. Some relevant information. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, 1 in 3 diagnosed cancer refer to skin cancer, and 1 in 5 Americans will develop melanoma in their lifetime. Most are discovered at advanced stage when it causes metastasis of the disease. The objective of this work is to propose a semi-automated segmentation method to monitor the evolution of skin lesion. In Table 1, we list some related work that we have analyzed since 2016. We observe the user segmentation as the main step in ours. For example, active control, CANs, also auto user private database or runner database to define parents or validate in results. In Figure 3, show approximate flowchart, the value, full step, preposition, superpixel generation, semi-supervised clustering, postposition. In preposition, the laser method of the hair remove. In superpixel generation step, the pixels are grouped using the SLIC0 LSC method to reduce the computation effort required in images. In Figure 4b, the difference between images is clear with the application preposition, and in C have the example of the generation of 1000 superpixels developed by Brackline. The semi-supervised cluster has first step choice of seeds. We define 1% of superpixels. Each superpixel can be as a lesion or background to the ground truth of the melanoma images. Feature extraction and selection. We use texture in GSM matrix and color RGB and lab channels. SFC means step. It is a semi-supervised cluster algorithm based on FuzC means. This algorithm uses the defined seeds as initial centroid for its superpixel and a membership degree with its seeds is calculation and organized in vector in descent order. In this example, 12 seeds order according to the membership degree with 1% a cluster. In this example, 3 cluster. Left follows apple. Another characteristic SFC means is the use of the cluster threshold value. In this example, 25% is threshold value. This is equal groups. The superpixels belong to the group left, and in B, seeds differ groups. Superpixels does not belong to the group left. This allows for a certain confidence in the cluster. Figure 6, they made 1000 superpixels. Has 10 seeds, 5 labels in the background, 5 labels from this lesion. In feature extension orientation vector, result FCME image show background superpixel in green and lesion superpixel in red. The rule repeats unlabeled superpixels. To improve the segmentation results, apply post-position. We employ 3 preposition techniques: mathematical methodologies, selection of the liked elements, geodex active contour. The result is this image. 3 of the rules we use for database, 2 for development set, and 2 for format set. Pegadores and terms. Developing sets are used to define parameters of the semi-automatic method, and IWSSIP 2016 and 2017 base are used performance tests. The images in this database have the ground truth associated with the image, white corresponds and the lesion, black corresponds the background. All tests require of 3 parents. The superpixel generation algorithm. We evaluate SLIC, SLIC0, and LLC. Superpixel number 7 values fixes, stating 400. until the segmentation success rate stop group in 1600 color channels, RGB, lab, and concatenation, and percentage of the most signature fields in GCM 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Also, then repeats for which configuration the metrics for performance evaluation, accuracy, ATC can be defined by the mean values of all dice. TPR checks how many images have good segmentation, that is, dice higher than 0.9, according to Lu et al. 2015. If the TPR value is higher than 80%, naturally segmentation algorithm. In W2, the best segmentation performs for the developed set, the best configuration, SLIC 0 method 100% in GCM 1400 superpacks, and for concatenation RGB lab, the highest TPR 77.41% in for the performance set, but obtained accuracy greater than 95%, ADC greater than 78%, in TPR IWSSIP 2016 93.49% indicates an excellent segmentation, while 79.44% in IWSSIP 2017 was not yet efficient. The justification in that the image of these debates have a similar color between the background and the lesion, make it differ to segmentate the regions. Comparison the results of the state of the art in the IWSSIP 2016. The accuracy super works. The IDC infers on to the work in the era 2019, while IWSSIP 2017 base the lost accuracy in Naval era 2019, a difference of 0.16%, and the IDC surpassed the work Garcia Oil et al. 2019. We can conclude that all results use 1% of the superpacks are promising compared to the state of the art method used database to various processions with 10 cameras, patterns from different ethnic groups, different resolutions, and ground truth birthday by different specialists, very similar to real scenery. As future work to evaluate different techniques of preposition and postposition, use of author filters, extraction types.
Thank you, Capsi and Lindsay Labert, for helping me in the results.
Thank you.